EdgeTune Pro is available in 3 versions. It comes as a standalone kit for people that already own a Dremel, or it comes with the optional corded Dremel, or the new lithium-ion cordless Dremel. Tool setup is very simple. First, just unscrew the collet nut on the Dremel. Second, install the ceramic grinding stone that comes with the kit. Now we're going to dress that stone for making it concentric and to clean off the top. Simply hold the dressing stone on the side and also on the top, holding it flat, which cleans up that surface. Now we simply thread the Dremel onto the bracket. Dremel tool has a nice holder for your thumb, and the EdgeTune guide bracket fits nicely to hand. Finally, we need to check our bevel angle on our side edge. EdgeTune Pro comes standard with a 1 degree bevel angle. We're going to change that. I'll store this right here. We're going to change it to a 2 degree side bevel angle by applying 3 strips onto the brass strip provided with the kit. Then we just bend the strips around like so, and that way we'll have a 1 degree and a 2 degree strip for future grinds. You can make whatever combinations you want. And now we're ready to grind a side edge. So again, we got a 2 degree bevel angle, and our stone has been dressed. And we're going to turn it up, and it likes to run at around 35,000 RPM. Now we simply hold it against the edge. Make a smooth, easy glide. There. Finally, we just give it a quick polish with the gummy stone, and you have a very, very sharp, smooth edge with very little edge material removal.